Hey guys, I'm out at one of my properties that just went vacant. I've owned this for probably 10 years. The tenant's been here for 7 or 8 years. It's about 20 to 25 minutes from my house, so I don't come out here often. And now that I'm here, I'm embarrassed that I haven't been out here. Embarrassed for the neighbors, because all the properties out here are nicely maintained, except for mine. Been a landlord for over 15 years, and this is probably the worst one I've ever had. It's bad in here. If you could smell it, it's even worse. All this stuff they left. Oh God, that smell. Jesus. And that is actual dog shit. That was where the dog cage was. I'm sure they're following the cleaning schedule. Oh great, of course. It's completely packed. Of course. I didn't even look in there. God, look at these cabinets. Good Lord. Probably shouldn't do this. Oh my God. So disgusting. Just burn a hole in the floor. That is actual shit on the floor. Oh God, the smell in here is just knock you down. It's like the, oh, look at that. Actual shit on the bathtub. Shit on the floor. Look in here, my God. Well, my original plan for today was to come out here and measure it and put together a Lowe's order, but this place is so bad, I'm not even ready to do that. So I guess my next step will be to clean up the yard so it doesn't look so bad for the neighborhood, and then get a dumpster delivered, because there's so much stuff here to throw away. So anyhow, if you guys want to see the progress on this one, subscribe, and I'll try to post some update videos as we go along, rehabbing this place and getting it ready to sell. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.